welcome to Unbox Zone. And since I've started my YouTube channel, I had to upgrade because my MacBook Pro specs weren't good enough to download, to send, to receive, and also to edit professional 4K videos, because those videos are really dense and it gets super hard to edit those videos with this MacBook. But in these 6 years I've never had any problems with this Mac, and when I started my YouTube channel I started editing videos, and if you go see my automotive lifestyle, it's one of my previous videos, you will see my videos that I've edited for automotive industry, and those all videos were edited by this MacBook Pro 13-inch 2014 model. And just to show you, it still has all these ports and it's pretty thick. Now it's time to say goodbye. I'll probably use this as a double screen, and I ordered myself a new MacBook Pro. Of course, it's super exciting. Took about a week to get here because I ordered a almost maxed out version, and when you're ordering a maxed out version of MacBook Pro, you cannot receive it right away. Unfortunately, they have to build it for you, they have to assemble and send it to you. But if you are trying to buy a base model, that way you'll have to go to the store and you can get it right away. And here we go. Finally, after 6 years of waiting, I got myself a new MacBook, and I got the biggest edition out there. I got the 16-inch MacBook Pro, which is already way bigger than the 13-inch I have. Right here. Even the box is Apple-y. And whenever you open this box, and when you open this box, you can already see the MacBook inside of this box. Now let me see if I can get it. All right, here we go. The MacBook Pro. Is there anything else in here? Nope. Now we can throw this away. And 16-inch MacBook Pro. Now Apple is really considering people and trying to make it easier and easier to use and even unbox their products. And of course we have this different type of box here. The design is different. You have the whole laptop, the MacBook, and there was some exciting news that they were going to improve a lot of things, especially the keyboard. They've been having problems with their old keyboards, this butterfly system, and a lot of keys were failing on people, so they did a major upgrade on that. The speaker system is really good, and of course the bezels. Since it's a bigger screen, they decreased the size of bezels. Now you have this special paper notch right there to open up the MacBook. You don't need a knife anymore. Now let's do this. All right, it's coming out. Okay, and here we go. Woo! Smells like Apple. And if you can take a look, it is a thick box. It is a high quality box. It's a super high quality packaging, and as soon as I lift this laptop, I can already tell how thin it is. And what I can tell is they have new USB-C cable type here on both sides, and let's see what else is here. Of course, designed by Apple in California, the books and the features, and of course the stickers, our favorite stickers. I hear we can't do without them. Okay, Here we go. Let's put this there, and of course we have this new charging cable. Let's take a look, and this cover is paper, surprisingly. Usually it is plastic on Apple products. Okay, and yep, the charger is also high quality, and it will easily connect to USB-C. Yep, this is the charger, and it has to charge the MacBook super fast because it is a maximum level charger. And this is the box right here. Let's put this aside, and let's take a look at the MacBook Pro 16-inch. All right. I got the space gray model because I am a huge fan of space gray color. This right here is a plastic, but also really high quality plastic. Now let's open up our MacBook. And of course there's a paper right here. As soon as we take off the paper, the MacBook is gonna turn on. And you can select the language, and what you can see, what the difference here is, touchpad is no longer goes all the way across the top. Now you have the physical escape button and the touchscreen button. Let's hear the improvement in the keyboard. It is a major improvement, sounds super high quality. And now we have, what you have here is 4 USB-C Thunderbolt 3 ports and 1 headphone jack. Another major improvement is the microphone on this MacBook Pro. This MacBook Pro has 64 gigabytes of RAM, which is the maximum option on this. Standard MacBook Pro comes with 6-core i7 processor, whereas this a little bit higher level MacBook comes with 8 cores and i9 processor. I ordered this MacBook with 64 gigabytes of RAM and Turbo Boost up to 5 gigahertz and video graphic card with 8 gigabytes. I didn't max out on the storage, first of all because it was crazy expensive, taking the price of the MacBook up to $8,000–9,000. I am used to using the SSD cards on the side, so I can use the SD cards, but if you want to spend that kind of money, go ahead. Their internal SSD is super fast, and I ordered this MacBook with 1 terabyte of SSD. Of course, the trackpad is the best in the game, and now let's see how these speakers are gonna sound. So the speakers are top level. You can easily hear the highs and lows, and you can, of course, when I compare it to my old 6-year-old MacBook Pro, it's like ground and the sky and the ground. It is a top level. And of course you can see the bezels. The bezels are pretty thin, and 16-inch MacBook will be a perfect addition for creative people, for videographers, for editors, because you get full-size screen. This is one of the biggest screens in the game. You have the physical escape button, which is pretty good for programmers, and you have the separated Touch ID, which is also a convenience. Another difference with my old MacBook is that this new MacBook Pro does not have the Elite logo anymore. They replaced it. That way they were able to thin down the actual physical screen. Wow, I'm super impressed. As you see, guys, it's a huge difference. It is a huge difference. I'm super happy that I got this MacBook Pro, and I'll be editing better. I could have gotten a PC, but I needed something portable. And good job, Apple. Good job. Finally, Apple listens. Now you can tell that Apple really listens to feedbacks and is considering people's opinions and improving a lot of stuff. And of course, we are hoping to see a even bigger screen in the future with no bezels at all. I don't know what they're gonna do with the HD camera. Unfortunately, the camera is still 720p, which is not a top level, not a good camera for a pro computer. And especially if you pay about $4,000, $5,000 for this computer, you expect to get a HD camera to be able to do Zoom meetings and FaceTime in a better quality. Apple, please take it into consideration. And this video is not sponsored by Apple. This is my own initiative, and thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. This was a Unbox Zone.